Hello everyone, I am Manish and I'm so excited to share something really cool with you today. We're going to explore something amazing together. Now, you might hear the term MCP, which stands for Model Context Protocol. It sounds fancy, but don't worry, it's actually pretty simple. Think of MCP like a translator that helps different computer programs talk to each other, just like how a translator helps people speaking different languages understand one another. Let's dive in. Now let's explore how MCP works with a simple example that's easy to understand. Imagine you have a robot friend who can read your homework but can't talk to your calculator app. That's a problem, right? MCP is like a bridge that lets your robot friend ask the calculator for help. It connects them so they can work together. Without MCP, programs work alone, but with MCP, they can share information and solve problems together. So MCP makes it easy for different programs to communicate and help each other out. Let's recap what we learned today. MCP is like a helper that lets different programs work together smoothly, just like how we work together in this lesson. Thank you so much for watching and for spending your time learning with me today. I really appreciate it.